What's up everybody, welcome yet to another video. Today is anniversary. Yan o. Yun na, wag daw siya isama. You know, my wife, my son, si Jem Epal, si Dencio. Dencio, may YouTube channel yan dito. Yan, click mo. Wala man laman yung YouTube channel niya.
Yung 15 days.
Bumili yan ng R6 yan, malupit. Ganda yan.
Yung nakaraan na
Kami ngayon sa Dukes de Palm. Yan sila.
Nox.
Tingin?
Hindi na pwede.
Photoshoot. Ek. May magbablog dito sa baba. Sarado na yung pool. So I'm using the Canon EOS RP when I'm vlogging like this because of the footprint. You never know when the security is going to stop you when you're using a professional camera like the Canon EOS R6 because it has a big body and just a tad different when it comes to the size. By the way, I'm using a Tokina lens that I borrowed from my friend. Densho I mean, RP is the best. I mean, look at it. No noise, no nothing. I'm not shooting at f2.8. I sold my own Tokina lens, which is the ATX-I, and what I'm using right now is the Pro DX2. I have a video down below. I compared them both. Link down below for the video comparison of the ATX-I versus the Pro DX. I am planning to buy a EF1635 f4, but Canon just announced that they are releasing a 14 to 35 f4 RF. Comment down below what you think is the best. Of course, it's gonna be cheaper, the 16 to 35, but yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Comment down below. So we're heading out to the beach. I mean, this lens is amazing, you guys. Look, I'm kind of having like a second thought why I sold my Tokina lens. All right, you guys. So I'm at the beach of the Dukes de Palm, and it's just the view and the hotel. The people are nice. Okay, so that's the view of the hotel. This is residential, and this is, I think, is the hotel. So it's a bit good. Link down below if you want to check the bookings and all that, the rates and all that shit. All the links are down below. So maybe tomorrow morning I can swim from there to there, right there. I don't know how long that is, but it's quite long compared to the swimming pool of the Dukes de Palm. Alright guys, so we're heading back. The heat in Dubai is unbearable and the humidity is 90%, I think. It's just crazy. But look how the Tokina lens and the Canon EOS RP perform on a low light situation. And the stable, look how the lens is so stable. That's the reason why I love this lens. I mean, I love this Canon EOS RP body because there's no wobble at all. So it's super great. No wobble, no. Jesus Christ, the humid here in the UAE is crazy. I cannot see, but I'm sweating and it feels like there's a gum on my skin. That's how sticky I feel. Comment down below if this is how you feel and wherever you are, you guys. It's crazy. I got a Kareem delivery. Where is he? Thank you. So I got the food. So the good thing about checking in here in Dukes de Palm, you can order outside food, just no problem at all. And we ordered chowking, just right there. Chowking. So they got indoor pool, 14th floor. That's the only thing that interests me nowadays. Pool. All right, let's go. Second day here in the Dukes de Palm, and last night was amazing. We had a couple drinks. So that's the view of the balcony. I think this is where the indoor pool is, and that is Nakhil Mall. This is our room. This is the room of the deluxe suite. This is how it looks like when somebody slept on it. I mean, we slept on it. Changed the body to Canon EOS RP. I saw the wobble on the R6. It's just, guys, ever wonder what's in my bag? This is what's in my bag. At the RC2 gimbal, it's folded. Got batteries in here. All of my batteries, RP and R6. This camera goes in here. I have my drone here. Mini 2. And then the R6, which is right here. And it had the 85mm is hooked up. I got the 50mm for all those killer cinematic shots. And that's pretty much it. That's what's in my bag. 2021. We're heading to the indoor pool, Dukes de Palm. There is the indoor pool. So this is the indoor pool of Dukes de Palm, as you can see. Alright, so if you don't want to experience the hotness of Dubai, B daw, sabi ng anak ko. What?
What letter is this?
What did you say?
B?
And that's the indoor pool of Dukes de Palm. Next up, Nakhil Mall. Nakhil Mall, no crowd. It's just us. During Saturdays, most probably on Sunday, it's gonna be super crowded. And we're going to eat at boom, there, Noodle House. Right in the middle of the mall, man. Damn.